Hello guys, remember the last time I thought about book cover? I am going to explain the importance of book cover. Number one, that's the first impression that Amazon customers get whenever they want to buy your book, because if your book cover is very attractive, they will click on your book cover. From there they will now see your description, they will see your book title and everything. That will make them want to buy the book. So one importance of book cover is it attracts customers, it attracts Amazon KDP customers, it attracts readers to your book, because that's the first impression they get whenever they want to buy your book. Secondly, remember that they have over millions of publishers in Amazon. So now if your book is unable to stand out from those competition, if your book cover is not appealing to your audience, if your book cover does not beat competition through your book cover, if you scroll on Amazon KDP page, you will discover there are millions and thousands of publishers in Amazon. So now if your book cover is unable to beat competition and your book cover is not different, your book cover is not attractive enough, your book cover is tattered, your book cover is not okay, Amazon customers will not click. It's not an impression for them to click on that your book, to even see your book or to see how it's doing or to see anything concerning your book, because your book cover is as your unattractive book cover have killed the attention, have killed the passion for buying that book. So if you want to learn more on how to start Amazon KDP step by step, how to make $200 to $500 earning from the comfort of your home as a non-writer, slide to my DM or click the link around the video and get connected with me on WhatsApp. I will explain step by step on everything you need to know, starting from getting a profitable niche, starting from how to publish your book step by step on Amazon and earn $200 to $500 like this you are seeing on the screen. So look at the example of a book cover, of a very attractive book cover that you can create in Amazon and start earning yourself cool cash from the comfort of your own home. So if you want to learn step by step on how to start earning $200 to $500 simply publishing books in Amazon as a non-writer, then slide to my DM or check the link around this video.